yeah, where we finna go? Because ain't no way we finna let this face go to waste. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be on this look right here. So if you're interested, go grab your robe, grab your makeup, and let's get cute. Hey y'all, so I'm going to start off by doing my brows. I already have them primed with my Milani clear brow gel, and I'm just going to use my Milani precision brow pencil and just do my brows. Okay, so for now, I'm just going to clean the bottom of my brows up with my Hazelnut concealer and then come back and do the top part when I get ready to put my foundation on. Okay, now I'm going to prime my eyes so I can get them ready for this bomb eyeshadow we about to do. Okay, so here I'm just using a brown transitional color. It came from one of my ColourPop palettes, but it doesn't have a name on it. Okay, so this is a palette that I'm going to be using to finish off my eye look, and I'm just going to take this nude color and put it under my eyebrows to give it a little lift and blend that out. Okay, so for the eyes, I'm going to be using this beautiful glitter eyeshadow right here. I love this. It picks up so good, so pigmented, and it's just beautiful, honey. Okay, so now I'm just going to go in with a darker brown and put this on the outer corner of my eye and bring this into the crease and blend it, blend it, blend it. Okay, so now I'm just going to add some highlight in my inner tear duct, and I love doing this because it makes my eyes look more open, more bright, and more Yes, honey. Okay, so now it's time to get feisty. So I'm gonna pop these on. Alright, so now I'm gonna prep my skin for my foundation. Then I'm gonna go over that with a thin layer of my translucent powder. Okay, so I am using a new foundation by Nars, and it's the Natural Radiant. And honey, when I tell you, after this foundation melts into your skin and does what it needs to do, baby, ain't nobody gonna be able to tell you nothing. This is so beautiful. The finish and everything. I'm so in love. I do not want to take my makeup off like as we speak or as I'm speaking. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and highlight my face. I'm using Maybelline number 50, but I went back over it with another concealer in caramel because this wasn't as light as I wanted it. Okay, so now I'm gonna set my concealer with my translucent powder, and look at me trying to catch the fallout. It did not work. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty. This is another new product that I picked up this week is the bronzer in Cocoa Naughty. And after I finished my face, I was like, I'm gonna have to start taking these steps a little more because I love the outcome. Baddie, okay? Okay, so here I decided to smoke out my bottom lash line, and I'm just using the same dark brown color that I used on the outer eye. Okay, so for the lip, I will be using this dark brown lip liner in the color Molasses. And I'm going to go in with a nude matte lippy. And then I'm going to top my Cupid's bow off with my highlight from Rihanna, Trophy Wife, because I love doing that. Okay, y'all, look at this finish. Baddie. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.